In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the something went wrong error on ChatGPT quickly and safely, so you can get back to chatting without wasting time. This is a super common issue, and the good news is that in most cases, it's caused by a temporary glitch, a connection problem, or a browser issue that you can fix in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, try the easiest fix. Refresh the page or click Regenerate Response in ChatGPT. Sometimes the error appears because the response failed to load properly, and a simple refresh is enough to get things working again. If that doesn't solve it, move on to your internet connection. Check whether your Wi-Fi is stable and make sure you're actually connected to the internet. If your connection seems slow or unstable, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that clears the issue. A weak or interrupted connection can easily trigger the "something went wrong" message. Next, clear your cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can conflict with ChatGPT and cause loading errors or failed responses. Open your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies for the site, and then restart your browser completely before trying again. This step fixes a lot of browser-related problems and is one of the most effective solutions when ChatGPT keeps failing to respond. If the error still shows up after that, the issue may not be on your side at all. Sometimes ChatGPT experiences temporary server problems or heavy traffic, which means you simply need to wait and try again later. In those cases, there's usually nothing wrong with your device or browser, and the best move is to give it a little time before retrying. Also, if the problem continues, try disabling your VPN or browser extensions. Some VPNs, ad blockers, privacy tools, or other extensions can interfere with ChatGPT and stop pages from loading properly. Turn them off one by one, refresh ChatGPT, and see if the error disappears. This is a great final troubleshooting step if the other fixes didn't work. So to recap, refresh or regenerate first. Check your connection, clear cache and cookies, restart your browser, wait if it's a server issue, and disable VPNs or extensions if needed. Following these steps should solve this "something went wrong" error in most cases. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more ChatGPT fixes and AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.